Doesn't look like a lot done today, but it took a long time to do it. Pretty much things fell into place today, which I was happy for. So we have an idea now what this bottom wall is going to look like. We only have a few more feet to go over to that corner. But I'm concentrating more on getting the blocks situated for the steps. And as far as for the steps are concerned, that's as far as I got. This side is now taking shape. We can get an idea now of what it's going to look like. A lot more work, a lot more fill, and plenty more blocks. But we'll get it done.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.